Cartography is the science and art of making maps. Maps are drawings that show us where things are in the world. They help us understand our planet and navigate our surroundings. Cartographers use different tools and techniques to create maps. They use computers, satellites, and even their own observations to draw accurate representations of the Earth. Maps have been used for centuries by explorers, traders, and travelers. Early maps were often inaccurate and incomplete. However, as technology advanced, so did the accuracy and detail of maps. Today we have access to highly detailed maps that show us everything from the layout of our cities to the contours of the ocean floor. Cartography is a fascinating field that combines geography, science, and art. It plays a vital role in our understanding of the world and our place in it. By studying maps, we can learn about different cultures, environments, and the history of our planet. There are many different types of maps, each designed to show different information. Physical maps show us the natural features of the Earth, such as mountains, rivers, and deserts. They use different colors and shading to indicate elevation changes. For example, brown usually represents mountains, while green represents lowlands. Political maps, on the other hand, show the boundaries between countries, states, and cities. They also show major roads, railroads, and other important landmarks. Political maps are useful for understanding the political geography of a region and for planning travel routes. Topographic maps are similar to physical maps, but they show elevation in more detail. They use contour lines to connect points of equal elevation. This allows us to visualize the shape of the land and to identify steep slopes, valleys, and other topographical features. Topographic maps are essential for hikers, campers, and anyone else who needs to navigate through wilderness areas. Each type of map serves a specific purpose and provides valuable information about our world. By understanding the different types of maps, we can better interpret the information they contain and use them effectively for navigation, planning, and exploration. Maps use a variety of elements to convey information. Understanding these elements is crucial for accurate map reading. One of the most important elements is the scale. The map scale tells us the relationship between distances on the map and actual distances on the ground. For example, a scale of 1 to 100,000 means that one unit of measurement on the map represents 100,000 units on the ground. Symbols are another important element of maps. They are used to represent different features, such as cities, roads, and airports. Most maps include a legend that explains the meaning of each symbol. The legend is like a dictionary for the map, helping us to decipher the symbols and understand the information being presented. Maps also use colors to convey information. For example, blue is often used to represent water, while green represents vegetation. Brown is commonly used for mountains and other elevated areas. By understanding the color scheme of a map, we can quickly identify different features and interpret the landscape. Learning to read and understand map elements is like learning a new language. Once you grasp the basics, you can unlock a wealth of information and navigate the world with confidence. In today's world, where technology often guides our every move, map reading remains a crucial skill. Maps provide a broader perspective than GPS devices, allowing us to visualize our surroundings, plan routes, and understand spatial relationships. They are essential for navigation, whether we are exploring a new city, hiking in the wilderness, or simply trying to find our way around our neighborhood. Beyond navigation, map reading enhances our spatial reasoning skills. It helps us to develop a mental map of our surroundings and to understand the relationships between different locations. This skill is valuable in numerous aspects of life, from planning travel itineraries to understanding global events. Moreover, maps are powerful tools for learning about the world. They can transport us to distant lands, teach us about different cultures, and deepen our understanding of history, geography, and the environment. By studying maps, we can gain a broader perspective on our planet and our place in it.